Welcome to the video lecture series of digital image processing. Today's lecture is about image restoration in the presence of noise only. In the previous lectures, you have studied about the image degradation, types of image degradation. So now you have to study how the degraded image is being restored when noise is present. Let us begin. Special filters which are used in image smoothing or sharpening are also useful for removing noise. You must be able to recall the filters which you have studied for image smoothing and sharpening. So classification can be done in two categories broadly: mean filters and order statistic filters. First category is mean filter, second is the order statistic filters. The difference between these filters is actually mean filters are based on the concept of convolution. This is based on the concept of convolution, while order statistic filters do not use convolution, but they order the pixels of the neighborhoods and select a pixel value based on the particular order. But mean filters and order statistic filters are of also various types. Generally, four types of mean filters exist: arithmetic mean filter, geometric mean filter, contraharmonic mean filter, and harmonic mean filter. Similarly, various order statistic filters also exist, which are known as median filter, max filter, min filter, midpoint filter, and alpha trimmed filter. Now let us study all the types of mean filters and order statistic filters in detail. So first, begin with the mean filters. The mean filter replaces each center pixel value in the window with the average of all pixel values within that particular window. So first type of mean filter is arithmetic mean filter. Arithmetic mean filter removes local variations within the image. It is similar to the low pass filter, and this filter is useful for removing Gaussian noise and uniform noise. Arithmetic mean filter can be represented as, arithmetic mean filter is represented as 1 upon mn. Mn is the, m into n is the size of the image. Summation of GST means it is a kind of averaging filter. So this is how arithmetic mean filter can be represented as. Second is geometric mean filter. Geometric mean filter eliminates Gaussian noise. This filter is ineffective for pepper noise, means geometric mean filter cannot be used to eliminate pepper kind of noise. And geometric mean filter achieves smoothing in comparison to the arithmetic mean filter. But in case of geometric mean filter, it tends to lose less image details in the process. And geometric mean filter can be represented as what? It can be represented into this one. You must have studied arithmetic mean, geometric mean, harmonic mean calculation in your school days, and you will be able to calculate it very quickly. And based on these filters, you may find the numerical as well. So this is how the geometric mean filter works. Third type of mean filter is the harmonic mean filter. For a given set of number, you can very quickly calculate harmonic mean. Accordingly, the formula is being implemented over here. So harmonic mean filter works well for salt noise, but it doesn't work good for pepper noise. Harmonic mean filter also works good with noise like Gaussian noise. And mathematically, it can be represented it into this form, mn upon summation of all the terms 1 upon GST. Next is contraharmonic mean filter. Contraharmonic mean filter, this filter is very useful, very suitable for removing either salt or pepper kind of noise. Means both salt and pepper kind of noise can be removed by using contraharmonic filter. Here you can observe there is a term Q which denotes the order of the filter, and this value of Q is very important whenever you are designing the contraharmonic mean filter. What should be the value of Q? Is it 0? Is it positive? Is it negative? So depending upon the value of Q, it performs various operations. It is represented as into this form, ratio of sum of all the terms GST its power Q plus 1 upon G of ST its power to Q. As I have told you here, Q is the order of the filter, but if the value of Q is positive, means greater than 0, it is used for the elimination of pepper noise. But in case the value of Q is less than 0, means negative, it is used to eliminate the salt noise. So depending upon the requirement, this type of filter can be like designed and can be utilized as well. Now let us study about the order statistic filters. As I have told you that order statistic filters are based on the order something. So this is also known as rank order or order filters. These are also the other names of order statistic filters. You can note it down over here. And these filters are not based on the convolution, as you have studied that mean filters are based on the convolutions. These filters are differentiated based on how they choose the value in the shorted list. Means whatever the values you are getting in a window, then first there is a requirement to sort it as per the requirement, and accordingly depending upon the type of order or rank, the center pixel value is being taken over there. So this position indicates the rank, which is the very important case over here. And in mathematics, you have studied that how to calculate median, how to find out the maximum in a given set of number, how to find out the minimum in a given set of number, what would be the midpoint. So accordingly, order statistic filters are differentiated based on how they choose the values in the shorted list. For example, min filter uses minimum value in the shorted list, max filter uses the maximum value in the shorted list. Let us study one by one in detail. First is median filter. Median filter, it is an example of non-linear filter. It does not use convolution, but it simply sorts the list and find the median, and the center pixel is replaced by that median value. This is how median filter works. It can be represented into this form, median of all the given like windows. Second is the maximum filter. Maximum filter selects largest value in the shorted list, and it is used for removing pepper type of noises. In each and every type of filter, you must remember what is its nature and for which particular type of noise removal it is used. For example, if you are having a set of numbers starting from 1 to 10, so the maximum value is 10, and if you are getting such kind of like samples, then the center pixel value will be removed with that particular value 10. It can be represented as fxy is what? Max of GST, means in that particular window, whatever the maximum value, that value will replace the center pixel value. Third type of filter is the minimum filter. Minimum filter selects the smallest value. And which would be the first element in the sorted list? When you have sorted any list, you have arranged the elements on the ascending order. Then the first one will be the minimum value. And this filter is very effective in elimination of salt type of noise. And it is represented as fxy is what? Minimum of g s comma t. Next type of filter is the midpoint filter. This filter selects the midpoint. Now what is midpoint? Midpoint is actually the average of the minimum and maximum value. If you have sorted a list, you find that 1 is the minimum value and 7 is the maximum value. So what would be the midpoint? 1 plus 7 divided by 2, which is the 4, and by this 4 the center pixel value is being replaced. Midpoint filter is very effective in removing Gaussian noise and uniform noise. It is represented as what? Fx comma y is equal to 1 upon 2 maximum value plus minimum value. As I have told you that it is the average of maximum and minimum. Next type of order statistic filter is alpha trimmed mean filter. This is very important. Alpha trimmed mean filter, it is based on the concept of computation. Computation of what? Computation of average of the pixels that fall within the window. You must note down this point. This is very important. It is almost similar to the average filter, but here the difference is that user can clip some of the pixels by specifying an alpha value. Means its nature is almost same as the nature of the average filter, but as per our requirement, some of the pixel values can be clipped off. And how those pixel values can be clipped off? By using a certain or specified value of alpha. So I hope this point is now clear to you. Alpha trimmed mean filter is useful for removing Gaussian noise and salt and pepper noise. So selection of the pixel value for replacing center pixel value is represented by the following formula. How to select the pixel value so that center pixel value can be replaced. See, fxy is what? 1 upon mn minus d summation of gr s comma t. Here you can note it down that what is the process being performed. We delete d by 2 lowest and d by 2 highest intensity values. See, in a given matrix, d by 2 lowest and d by 2 highest intensity values have been eliminated, which are in the neighborhood of GST. Now GRT, which is the received one, it represents how many pixels? The number of pixels will be reduced by d, because you have eliminated d by 2 in the lowest one, d by 2 in the highest one, and the total number of pixels were what? M into n. If m into n is the size of the image, so mn would be the total number of pixels, and when you have eliminated d, then remaining pixels would be mn minus d. So see, 1 upon mn minus t, this is the term which is being used to average out and sum of all the pixels in that particular window. So I hope now this formula would be clear to you how to utilize it, and you must remember that this is very useful for removing Gaussian and salt and pepper kind of noise. Topic for the next video lecture is periodic noise, band pass and band reject filtering. Thank you so much for watching this video.